In this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about managing a big home project without losing your mind or your budget. So, first up, you gotta start with a solid plan. Like, don't just wing it because that's how things get messy real quick. Make a detailed list of what you want done and set a realistic timeline. Next, research local contractors carefully, check reviews, ask for references, and get multiple quotes so you're not stuck paying way more than you should. Communication is key, so keep in touch with your contractor regularly to avoid surprises. Also, don't forget to get all the permits you need before starting work. Skipping that can cause major headaches down the line. When buying materials, look for quality, but don't overspend on fancy stuff you don't really need. Balance is everything. Set aside extra money for unexpected costs because trust me, they always pop up. Lastly, keep the workspace clean and organized to avoid accidents and delays, and always ask questions if something doesn't feel right. You're the boss of your home after all. One of the biggest mistakes folks make is ignoring warranty terms on materials and tools. If something breaks or is defective, not knowing your rights can cost you big time. Another common slip-up is not planning for waste disposal. Leftover debris piles up fast and can stall the entire project. The last thing I see a lot is people overlooking energy efficiency options during renovation. It might seem like an extra cost now, but it saves serious cash and helps the planet in the long run. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners like you with trusted local contractors who know their stuff. It also helps contractors find steady work by linking them directly to people looking for reliable pros, making the whole process way smoother for everyone involved.